Hello, people. Okay, so my YouTube channel is soon going to be very different because I got the GoPro 10 Hero. I don't know where the thing went, the wrapper. I mean, the GoPro 10 is like right in front of me. Where? Oh, here we go. Boom. So, we are going to be doing different things here because I feel like just watching hair videos is, quite frankly, boring AF. So, we got this 50-in-1 accessory kit to go with it. And I just wanted to open it. Oh. I have really strong hands. Ash, you can laugh at me. She's literally trying to hold it in right now. It's okay.
This is why we don't let her open nothing.
I have really strong hands. So some of the things that I'm really excited about here is the headband. And we're gonna try that on real quick. Is this it? So, yeah, it looks about right. I could definitely see myself with the GoPro camera right here, and maybe I'm foiling. And maybe I'm just going around the salon saying what's up to everybody and getting a client perspective. And then, you know, chatting with the receptionist. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I think there's also a chest one. Let's see what we got. There's so many gadgets. We're gonna just put them all on. Look at this. I'm sure there's an easier way. I feel like G.I. Jane. If y'all could see the way I put a bra on at home, y'all would really laugh. Okay, so maybe we just get like 10 more GoPros. We have one here, here. I think there's a wrist one. I think this is it. I don't know if that's it. Something like that. We got some clamps. Oh wait, what's this? This is the wrist one. Look at this. I am so excited. If I could get this right, that would be awesome. But y'all get ready. I'm fully equipped to make some really awesome content for you guys.